My name is Elizabeth Muller, and today we're going to make congri. I'm going to add some salt to this, okay? Just to push out the flavor of the pork. Add salt before I fry it, because what I'm going to do with this now is I'm going to fry it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I've been frying some pork on the side because it takes a while. It does not take overnight, but it's supposed to look something like this as you're frying it. Crispy. It's going to jump up a little bit, but don't worry about it. Crispy and nice like this is what you want your pork to look like, so you can place it in your rice later. The pork fat, real nice and crispy. You're going to use those oils. You see all that oil in there? You're going to use some of it for that rice, and that's what gives it the flavor. Okay, that and the bacon. And I'm going to show you in a minute what I'm going to do with the bacon. So first I put the pork in here, and I fry it, make it crispy, and I can let it sit for a little bit, still cooking in the back, while I go ahead and do the bacon.